Today, Sunday, September 19th, this is the 1967 429 engine Cadillac Eldorado 6-blade fan blade. This is the unit that's mounted to the water pump. First, the fan blade is mounted to the clutch. This is a beautiful original vintage clutch which has been cleaned and climatized and is ready for advancement to the next car owner. And the original 429 fan blade is in beautiful condition, has also been cleaned and climatized, and is going to my friend Tom Argue in Clearwater as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is the absolute original vintage 1967 Cadillac Eldorado fan blade and clutch that mounts to the water pump of the 429 engine. This is the first and last year for the 429 engine in the 67 Eldorado. The Eldorados thereafter 68, 69, and 70, and the E1 series Eldorados having the 472 and 500 cubic inch engine used a differential fan pitch fan blade. And so what we have here is a 1 year only 67 specific fan blade with clutch, and this is the 6-blade variant, and it measures right at 18 inches diameter. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 series Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, this is George in Florida. Today is Sunday, September 19th. Thank you very kindly.